think that this whole Jordyn situation needed to happen for a reason, for me, for her, for you, for everybody. She was my security blanket. She lived with me. We did everything together. I just felt like, oh, I have Jordyn. I don't need anything else. And I feel like there's a part of me that needed to grow without her. And sometimes people are there for certain reasons at certain times in your life and then not there for others.
If you love that video, you're gonna love everything on the Access YouTube channel, so hit the subscribe button. You can thank me later. Hit it.